As a TTML shareholder, we must consider five things in this share. Obviously, the first thing will be its price. The price has been moved after this Murat trading to 10%, and now the share has officially been called as a mid cap quality share. And now it has broken all the support and resistance technical levels of the previous technical levels, and now it has made its all time high. And we know that 10th of November will be a great day for all of us. 10th of November, it will be presenting its financial results, so be aware of that too. But in my opinion, the share will rise. Why? Because if we look forward with the FII participation, we can see that FIIs have increased their stake in this September quarter. That indicates that the share has demand in this FII market as well. And we don't know because from the last 15 days, FIIs has been continuously selling in our market, but yet many FIIs have invested in the share. Yes, it is around 0.16%, but it is more than previous 2 quarters. And if we combine 1 year too, so in the aggregate will be good. And I think FII participation has ended up landing the share 10% up and has made new 52-week high. But I think that in also in FII market, and I personally think that after this Tata New, the Tata TTML app, that Tata Super app that has been created by TTML, and because of this TTML got business, and I think that it will be included in the revenue section. And also it has this can increase their revenue, and also this can increase their expenses. But finally we can see net profit in an increment zone. So those so friends, if we are seeing net profit increment in net profit, and good growth in revenue and operating income, then we can expect good things from this stock, and we can expect good target from the stock. Also, the FIs and FPIs have invested in this stock, and the institutional investors have also pulled up some percent in this stock. And if we compare it with Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea, MTNL and Reliance Communication, we can see a tough competition between Bharti Airtel, but it will be turned in this telecom sector. But currently we are looking forward for TTML as a company which have a client of Tata Super App, for Tata Super App, and has been turned as a major contributor in Tata New application. If we consider this RSI and MFI level, after considering this, I must say that for a long term investment, if you want, then please just wait for some time. I think the share can be is a little overvalued. And yes, according to me, the targets of this share is 100 in short term after results, if the results turn out good. But if in case results are not good, then we can expect some consolidation, then you can buy the share. But for fresh people who want to enter fresh, who want to have fresh entry in the share, I will recommend them then that please wait for some time. I will recommend them that okay, now the share has turned an overvalued and moving towards this overvalued thing, because RSI is been 75 and MFI is slowly moving towards the 70 zone. And I think that fresh entry will not be recommended by me for now, but people who have invested in this stock at lower levels can continue in this stock, because it has made its own 52-week high. And after watching the Monday's move in the share, we can expect some targets and the stop loss and all the technicals. We can analyze it after looking forward by the Monday market mood. So currently we can't analyze the stock, because we have seen just a little amount of trading in the share after Muhurat trading, because Muhurat trading amount of time was around 1 hour. So we have not seen much volume in the share, but people have bought this share. So there are various shares which have gone up, like Aarti Industries and Laurus Lab, and there are many shares who have went up, Lloyd Steel and every other share. BSE and NSE have also been around 0.5% up. So we can expect good levels from TTML. But for fresh and people who want to enter fresh, I will not recommend them. And for people who want to average this share, don't average it now. I'll post it in our Telegram channel when it's a good time. And there are many people who are regularly communicating with me with Tata Power, TTML, and there are various shares which people are just giving their opinions, and they are asking for it. So if you are a person who can give opinions, then kindly join the share Telegram channel. And if you are a person who frequently wants someone to guide you, motivate motivate you and answer your questions, then too I will highly recommend you that click on the link below and join our Telegram channel. That will really help you to groom yourself, and that will give you many opinions of different people. There are around 200 people in our group, and I think we have crossed around 260 people. So if this is the case, all are active, around 50% people are active, this will help you to get various opinions of people who are fresher but they have good opinion. So friends, I think we have completed everything that we have discussed in our last video. So let's end this video up here, and we will be meeting in our next video. If you find something valuable in this content, so do like and share this video. I'll not tell you to subscribe, because people who are here and who are getting value through this channel will definitely subscribe. And I know that this English is little bit like not good, but I will try my best to give you proper knowledge, best content in English as well as Hindi too.